Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'll be making a bacon, egg, and cheese McMuffin my way. So let's get started. Alright guys, so to my eggs I'm going to add this Grill Mates Bacon Chipotle seasoning to bring home that smoky bacon flavor. Just a little bit, you don't need too much. I'm not adding salt to my eggs clearly because the cheese has salt, the bacon is salty. I'm also going to add some crushed red pepper flakes. I want some heat down in here. And I'm actually going to bake the eggs versus frying the eggs. This was about, I think this is 5 eggs. Let me see. 1, 2, yeah, 5 eggs in my bowl. 5 large eggs. The cheeses that I'll be using is medium cheddar and havarti cheese. You can use either or whatever cheese you prefer. So I have my cast iron skillet, a small one, the little one. I heated it up with some melted butter, and now we're going to pour this in there and pop it in the oven. Alright, so this is my little cast iron skillet. It might look big on camera, but it's actually a small cast iron skillet. I'm going to pour my eggs down in here. And I'm going to bake this off for about 10-15 minutes. Making a mess. On 350. Alright, so this is the egg straight out the oven. I'm going to let it cool down, of course. It's going to reduce in size. And then we're going to cut circular shapes with my cutter. You can use a knife if you don't have a cutter, or you can use a glass cup so it can match your muffin. And that's what we're going to do next. Alright guys, so all I'm doing now is just cutting my muffins open. Because you have to toast them up. If you have a toaster, toast it in your toaster. I'm going to pop them onto my broiler. The egg and the bacon is finished, so now all we have to do is put the sandwiches together. Alright, so I turned my egg out on the countertop. While my muffins are toasting, we're going to cut the shape out. So I'm using the biggest shape that I have in my thing. And that's all you're going to do. Right there. Perfect egg shape. I don't know how many I could get out of this, but let me see. I'm probably going to be able to get 3 out of this. Yep, I'm able to get 3. They're not all the same exact shape, but you guys get the point. Alright, so my muffins are nice and toasted. They're still hot. However, it's not hot enough to melt my cheese, so I am going to pop it back in the oven for a couple minutes just to toast up, just to melt the cheese. You're going to add your egg on top of the cheddar. Use this one. Right on top of the cheddar. Then you're going to add your havarti cheese. Right on top. Right on top. Separate them a bit. I hope you guys can see what I'm doing. Oh, you absolutely can see. And then we're going to take the bacon. Listen, I can't tell y'all how much bacon to add on top of your sandwiches, but basically just pile it on there. My strips are basically a little too long, but I'm going to make them work. Add your bacon on top. Then I'm going to put the tops on here and just pop it in the oven. I only toasted one side of my bread. As you can see, the other side is not toasted. So it's not going to hurt anything. I just want to melt my cheese down a bit. Just never enough bacon, right? And then you're going to put the top on like this. And I'm going to pop it in the oven and allow the cheese to melt. Okay guys, so this is what the sandwich looks like. The cheese is nice and melty, bacon nice and crispy, the egg nice and fluffy. And don't overcook the egg, guys. Make sure you watch it, especially after 10 minutes. Check your egg. And yep, so let me see if I can get a real close up. This is what it looks like. up close. I wonder if McDonald's hiring, because if this is how their sandwiches look, I would definitely be going. But yeah, I hope you guys try this sandwich. It's really good. It's a Copycat and my version, and I'll see you guys next time on my next video. Bye guys. You like it? Okay, y'all got y'all taste test, cause clearly, because anyway, you like the bacon and the egg? Mm-hmm. Is it cheesy enough?
Yep, all cheesy.
Bye.